your kid is overwhelmed with academic pressure and extracurricular activities, leaving very less time for the personal development?
I would say yes, because what I feel is even though they are getting the education that they need at school, but as per me, my kids are interested in playing football. But I don't think so that they would give a lot of attention to that, because what a lot of educational system does is try to put the kids into studies more than the extracurricular activities. So I think they need to have that thing more in them.
I do believe that's very true. That they do get stressed with a lot of academic work. That they have little time to be as children to play outside and learn things in public, whatever it has to be. I do feel it's a lot of stress on them.
What I have noticed is the moment my kids come back from school, the only thing they do is they sit with the phone. Either they play games or they'll watch YouTube or they just, go ahead and play with it. So I think that yes, it's really very important because things need to change. There are some basic things that kids need to learn. For example, we cannot be with them all the time. So maybe while coming back from school or going to school, there might be something where they need to act on their own. So I think the basic things where, like, for example, giving a CPR to someone or maybe giving a first aid to someone. These kind of things are important, and I think that schools have to teach this to the kids in order for them to become better person going further in life. So that's what I believe in.
It is a lot of concern that they are exposed to a lot of stuffs on the internet. So we really need to get monitor. I think it's going to be a little difficult though, but restrict the time and encourage them to have an outdoor activity. Traditionally, I don't think that was very true, because it was basically you study, either be an engineer or a doctor. So that was it. There was less importance on sports or fine arts to a large extent. Most of the time it is just academics and nothing exposed to work, arts or music. So there is largely a huge gap in that.
I feel that no, the kids would not be able to open up because there will be a lot of people there, because of which they will think that the teachers might not listen to them, or maybe they are not getting proper attention. So in that case, I feel that the kids will never open up in front of their teachers. So they always need someone who can actually help them build themselves and open up themselves. That's what I think.
I don't think it is easier for the teacher to spend time with each and every student.
Correct.
Because they have concentrate more on the academics rather than you have one-to-one session with each and every kid.
Correct.
Which is slightly a dicey situation currently.
I would say yes, because education, everyone are getting it. Correct. But there are certain skills that also needs to be developed. So I think these kind of skills are needed. So I would definitely say yes to it.
If such platforms are available, I think we would welcome it to a large extent, because kids can, in addition to academics, they can be exposed to a lot of other things which brings out their creativity and their personality. I think it's a wonderful idea.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Shumoil and I'm a student of grade 10. Now, if we talk about basic life skills, most of the subjects that are taught in school are mostly related to academics and not basic life skills. Now, basic life skills include financial literacy, cooking, first aid, or simple things like operating simple devices. Now, in school, most of the subjects that are taught are usually related to academics, and people are more focused on academics.
Hello everyone, myself Saroj Hussain from class 6. My hobbies are playing football and do gaming, but in my school, only once in a week we get to play football and they don't have any facilities for gaming. I attended some classes with Podstar OV and they encouraged me to play football and do gaming at the same time. Because of them, now I can start my career in football and gaming.
There is 10 people I could not talk with them properly. After attending the Podstar OV, even I can face thousands of people gathering around. Even I can speak fluently with teachers, and I'm very confident now. When my teacher raises me a question, I can answer fluently with them. And nowadays all the parents are only interested in their marks, and even some teachers and parents compare with others of our marks.